there was some acceptance that we needed to get money out the door to help deal with COVID-related issues. But what is the patience level now?
I think it's kind of mixed. I think people are still on the fence saying, yes, we need some of these programs. There are a lot of people that haven't been able to return to work because their jobs have affected, maybe in tourism, maybe in something else. And so they need that kind of support until they can. Having said that, schools are starting to reopen. That's another problem. You can't have a return of the economy when schools and daycares are not functioning, because you need at least one parent in many circumstances to stay home and look after the children if you can't find care elsewhere. So there are just a number of snowballing issues that have surfaced as we try to navigate this. And of course, we want everyone to be as healthy and as safe as possible, but we also need to move forward because we're continuing to print money in many cases. The Bank of Canada is, with a keystroke, is basically creating money out of thin air, which you can only do that for so long before you debauch the currency and the economy, maybe both at the same time. And we cannot continue to allow debt and the interest on the debt to overtake what we're spending on our programs, because at the end of the day, this bill, the interest will have to be paid and the debt will probably have to be paid back, although we do it very poorly as a country of actually paying back our debt. We basically service the interest, making bankers and bondholders very wealthy while we don't actually get ahead. And very shortly, we are going to surpass, at this current level, the amount of interest we pay is going to surpass what we pay for the military and what we give to the provinces in terms of transfers for healthcare. So this is very serious. So we're going to have a future generation with a shrinking workforce, because we're going to see more people retiring. They're going to pay more, get less, and which affects how they operate as an individual, as a family, how they put housing, how they afford food, entertainment, etc. So there are significant impacts that are going to be happening on the horizon, not to mention in just a few months at tax time, CERB is taxable.
Yes, it is.
So this is going to be a massive awakening for some people who rightfully so, were told to stay home. They're barely getting that $2,000 covering their bills. Some it's more, some it's less, but I don't know many, maybe some have, put away for tax time. And that's, I think, is going to be a massive issue in just a few months.